two trees. Trees are tree of life, tree of knowledge. Now, choice is what is evident that's found within the Garden of Eden. And part of the creation of man is to give them life. Now, they had a choice of which life they wanted. Now, if we fast forward to the event of Israel standing on the two mountains, Mount Gerizim and Mount Ebal, we see the consequences of choice depicted by each mountain. And the underlining theme of that event is choose life, not death. So the choice that was in the Garden of Eden was life and death as well. Now what we see within the word ta'at, the taf represents death. It's got a dalet, which is a doorway, where you choose death. And then the tree of life, chai itself, it's got a doorway, chet. That's the doorway that leads to life. Now, if you've taken the doorway of death through knowledge, da'at, the root word of da'at is yada, which contains the solution to the problem, the letter yod, which is the yad, the unseen hand of God, that will lead you through the other side of the door of knowledge to enter back into the garden. So you exit through the doorway of knowledge, da'at, the dalet, and the only way to get back into the garden is through yada, the same doorway, the dalet, but with the help of the Spirit. And the yod also depicts the seed within the fruit of the tree of life. So when you eat of that fruit, you receive the nature of Yahweh, or the DNA, spiritual DNA of Yahweh. But we've eaten from the wrong fruit. So in order to lead us back, we need to receive the seed implanted in us through His Spirit, the Yad, that will restore the nature as if we eaten from the tree of life. So now we have the seed of life within us, and we need to find our way back through the doorway. Now, Nachash and Mashiach connect through the same door but from different sides. The Nachash is the doorway from the garden to the outside world of duality, distinction, hiddenness, and choices. The same door on the other side is called Mashiach, where you enter back into the world of Echad and unity, moving from hiddenness, confusion, darkness, and all those things associated with the word evil. The root word of evil, Ra'ah, describes the nature of the fallen man. Ra, or evil, describes the consequences of eating of the fruit of Tov, which is good, and Tov has got the symbol of the Nachash, the letter Tet, in it. So that fruit is connected to Nachash, is connected to the door that the Nachash will show you. And on the other side of Yada, you get the Yod, which is the hand of Yahweh, which is also the Mashiach, who will show you the door from the other side to escape this fallen world and enter back into the Garden of Eden.